Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add or remove a Microsoft account on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So for that, first of all, you need to open the settings app. You can open the settings app by clicking on the Windows Start icon, and then under all apps you can see the settings app. So click on the settings app. Otherwise you can search for the settings app here also, and then click on the settings app and then open the settings app. Once settings app is open, you need to click on accounts here. So click on accounts. Also, you will be able to see on the top which type of account you have right now. So in my case, I have installed Windows 11 with the local account. So I haven't provided any Microsoft account, right? But let's say I want to log in with my Microsoft account and I want to add my Microsoft account to my Windows 11 operating system. For that, you can click on your info option, and then you have this option here under account settings which says sign in with a Microsoft account instead, right? So as I mentioned, I have the local account and I want to add the Microsoft account. So under account settings, click on sign in with a Microsoft account instead option, which is going to start the setup of Microsoft account. So just wait for that. And now you will be asked to provide your Microsoft email ID. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create one very easily by clicking on the create one account. And once you have this account, provide your email ID. So I have provided my email ID. I'm going to click on next now. And now I'm going to provide the password of my Microsoft account. So once you have provided your Microsoft account password, click on sign in, which is going to log you inside the Microsoft account. So once you are successfully logged in with your Microsoft account, on the next window, you will see this window which says we will need your current Windows password one last time. So here you need to provide your current Windows password which you use to log into your Windows operating system. So as I said, I'm using my local account for that. So I'm going to provide my local account password which I use to log into my Windows operating system. And then I'm going to click on next, which is going to sign me into the Microsoft account. And now once I do that, I can see create a PIN option here also. So you also need to create a PIN here. So in case you don't have internet on your device, then how you can log into your Windows operating system. So in order to do that, you can just click on next here, and then you can provide any PIN to your Windows operating system. So if your Windows operating system is not connected to internet, then you can use this PIN. So let me provide my PIN here. And by default, you can only provide the numbers here. But if you want to include the letters and symbol, you can check this checkbox and then provide your PIN. So I'm going to just do that and then confirm my PIN. And then I'm going to click on OK, which is going to log me into my Microsoft account. And also it's going to create a PIN, right? So now you will be able to see your email ID on the top here, and also here you can see your email ID on this your info window, right? So this is how you can add the Microsoft account. So now once you have added your Microsoft account, you can log out of your Windows operating system by clicking on the sign out button and check if the PIN which you have provided at the time of the setup of your Windows 11 operating system. So you can click on the sign out button, which is going to sign me out of this Windows 11 operating system. And here you can verify with your PIN. So this PIN you have provided for your Microsoft account setup, right? You have provided the Microsoft login email ID and password, and also you have provided the PIN, right? So this is the same PIN which you have provided for the Microsoft account setup. So this is not your Microsoft account password. This is the PIN which you have provided. As I mentioned, that this PIN you can also use when you are offline. So let me just provide that PIN and then press enter, which is going to sign me in my Windows 11 operating system once again. And that is how you can add the Microsoft account. Now let's say you want to remove the Microsoft account, and once again you want to use your local account in order to log into your Windows 11 operating system. So for that, once again open the settings app and then click on accounts, and you can see your email ID will be shown here. That means you are logged in with your Microsoft account. So for that you need to click on your info option, and then you will be able to see under account settings, sign in with local account instead. So you will see this option. Also, when you go back to accounts and when you click on sign in options, you also have the option to log in with your facial recognition, fingerprint, and your Windows Hello pin also, right? So we want to be able to log in once again with our local account. So I'm going to click on your info option, and then under account settings, I'm going to click on sign in with my local account instead option. And once I click on that, you will see this warning which says, are you sure you want to switch to local account? And your email ID also will be shown here. So click on next here. And once you do that, you need to provide your PIN for your Windows 11 operating system, which you have provided at the time of adding the Microsoft account. So let me provide my PIN here and then click on OK. And now I can once again set up the new password for my Windows operating system, which will be a local offline password without using the Microsoft account. So let me provide that, and then once again confirm this password, and then just provide the hint here and then click on next. And one last time, it's going to show you are almost done. Make sure you save your work before you sign out and use your new local account info the next time you sign in, right? So now I'm going to click on sign out and finish, which is going to sign me out of my Windows Microsoft account, and it's going to log me out of my Microsoft account. And this time I can provide my local account. If you remember, earlier I was seeing my name here because it was linked to my Microsoft account. Now I'm seeing my local account name here, and now I can provide my local account password and then click on submit. I'm logged in to my Windows operating system with my local account. This I can verify from here also, because earlier when I was logged in with my Microsoft account, it was my name here instead of this code bind which I have given for my local account, right? When I click on settings app here, and when I click on account also, I can see now this is a local account. It's written here, it's a local account, and my email ID is not shown here. Also here under rewards, it says sign in, right? And also when I click on your info option, I can see once again this option under account settings, sign in with a Microsoft account instead, right? So because I'm logged in with my local account, I can once again add a Microsoft account and sign in with my Microsoft account, right? So this is how you can add or remove a Microsoft account into your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.